Nice to meet you. My name is David,
My name is Layla.
My name's Josh.
and we're going to be talking to you about
The
bladder. But what is the bladder? Would you explain it to us, Layla?
The bladder is an essential part of the urinary system. It's a muscle located in the pelvic cavity designed to contain and release waste. Its functions are to store the urine made in kidneys and allow frequent urination to be regulated and controlled. The urine travels from the kidneys to the ureters into the bladder in order to filter waste from the bloodstream, balancing the level of salts and other substances with it. Joshua, how does this relate to homeostasis?
Well, urinary system plays a major role in the maintenance of homeostasis. As previously stated, the water salt level and acid-base balance is regulated by the urinary system. Urination works with other body systems to maintain homeostasis, for example, the circulatory and skeletal system. Releasing liquid waste regulates blood pressure, calcium, salts, and minerals. I talked to you about how it relates to homeostasis. What about our tissues? Back to you, David.
Well, the bladder has transitional tissues. This allows the organs to stretch or to take the shape of the accommodative variables in the bladder system. The multiple layers of the epithelial cells can contract when needed. The bladder is made up of 3 layers: mucosa, submucosa, and muscularis layers. But wait a minute. What do those layers do?
Mucosa is the innermost layer of the epithelial tissue that allows stretching that makes the containment of urine possible. Submucosa makes up the fat within the bladder wall. Muscularis is a layer surrounded by submucosa which enables the bladder to expand and contract to release the urine from the body. Well, we know about the bladder. What about the urethra?
Thank you, Zoran. The urethra is actually a part of the urinary system and plays a vital role in the excretion of urine. It acts as a tube in which urine flows from the bladder to the exterior of the body during urination.
For the males, the urethra is also a part of the reproductive system as it carries sperm out to the body. There are also ureters, which are tubes that connect to the kidneys to the bladder. What are the tissues in the urethra, though?
The tissues in the urethra are made up of transitional tissue. From its first to its last parts, the urethra goes from a stratified columnar epithelium to a stratified squamous epithelium. This allows the tube to withstand the pressure of the urine as it exits the body. Prostatic urethra, membranous urethra, and spongy or penile urethra.
Thanks
for watching.
I want you to smack that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, join the Zoran gang.